Today I'm going to show you exactly how to gift Telegram Premium to someone else right from your phone. By the end of this video, you'll know how to surprise a friend, family member, or anyone in your contacts with exclusive premium features. It's a quick and thoughtful way to level up their Telegram experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, this works the same way, so no need to worry about differences. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, to send someone a premium subscription, you need to access their profile. The fastest way is to open a chat with the person you want to treat. You either have to have an existing conversation with them or they must already be in your contacts. If you haven't messaged them before, search for their name at the top, start up a new chat, and you're good to go. Once you're looking at the chat, tap on their profile picture or name at the top of the chat screen. This takes you to their profile where you'll see their info and all the chat settings related to your conversation. Here, where the magic happens, look for the three-dot menu. On Android, it usually shows as 3 vertical dots, and on iOS, you'll see 3 horizontal dots. You'll find this at the top right corner of their profile. Go ahead and tap that menu. From this list, select Gift Premium. If you don't see the option, make sure you're in the latest version of the app and check again. Telegram updates often, so keeping your app up to date ensures this feature works as described. Now, Telegram gives you the chance to choose how many months you want a gift. Typically, there are options like 3, 6, or even 12 months, and you'll often notice that the longer the duration, the bigger the discount. So if you want to make a bigger gesture or just save a little money per month, consider those longer options. Think of it like buying a friend a gym membership for the whole year instead of just a couple months. It's more value and a bigger surprise. Once you've picked the subscription duration, you'll move on to confirmation and payment. Telegram will walk you through entering your payment details just like any purchase in the App Store. Take your time here, double-check that everything's correct, especially the recipient, because once this gift goes through, Premium is active and non-transferable. Don't worry if you've never bought anything in-app before. Telegram makes this really straightforward. After you make your selection and confirm the payment, Telegram sends your friend or contact a special animated gift box right inside your chat. It's a fun visual moment, a bit like handing someone a real present and watching their face as they unwrap it. The recipient will instantly know they've received Telegram Premium, and all those extra features will unlock for them right away. And that's really all there is to it. You've just sent someone the gift of more powerful messaging, from extra stickers to bigger file uploads and more control over their chats. Telegram Premium is a sizable upgrade for anyone who loves the app. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop me a comment below if you have any questions or want to share who you're gifting Telegram Premium to. And of course, if you love learning more tech tips like this, hit subscribe so you never miss out on a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.